He is well known for his work in the field of education, Mr. Sudhakar Rao. He has been an accomplished brand strategist, a startup mentor, and a social media advisor at ICFAI, ICFI as you say. He heads branding for the entire group that includes 11 ICFI universities, 9 ICFI business schools, 7 tech schools, 7 law schools, and a huge distance learning program. I would like to welcome you here on stage, sir. We have an award for you, but also before that, I would like to hear you saying what you think about the global immersion programs hosted by UAS International, as they are known for their exposure abroad. What else do you think is the importance of global immersion programs for the students?
A very good evening to all of you. Dr. Anil Sahasrabuddhe, the chairman of AICTE, parents of Ishan Taneja. I think it's a better way to call them parents of Ishan Taneja, so I'm calling like that. Mr. Om Prakash Taneja ji, Mrs. Om Prakash Taneja ji. A good evening to all the students who have assembled here, the faculty members, directors of the institution, and heads of universities. I am quite delighted to be here. One is the delight, the other one is witnessing something which is very, very interesting actually. It's like festive atmosphere. Festival because after 19 months, we are all coming out and partially removing our masks and mustering the courage to speak without the mask. I think that itself is a very big thing. So it's like festival for us. We should not abandon the caution, but I think slowly we are limping back to normalcy, and that gives us a lot of positivity and promise. Therefore, we need to celebrate this. It is also a festival because there are lots of lights, we lighted the lamp, there is a lot of music as well and glitter and glamour, so it's a festival. It is a festival because we are in the august company of Dr. Anil ji, whose name is a very erudite kind of name, whose looks are quite scholarly and saintly, and his visionary leadership that we all have seen. And I have interacted with sir many a time, and he has visited ICFI campus as well. So I know personally how nice and how wonderful it will be to sit along with Professor Anil Sahasrabuddhe ji. Therefore, it is a festival. It is a festival because all the students have achieved, and majority of the stakeholders are here. The students who have done the internships, the faculties who have actually monitored, mentored, and made sure that there are contributions to the host organizations and also the organizers of UAS. I think all the stakeholders are here, and therefore it's a festival. So in this festive atmosphere, we should actually stop giving lectures. More or less all of us are in education. These students who are sitting there, they have gotten used to these kind of lectures, and the teachers also have gotten used to these kind of lectures. But briefly, what I would like to mention is that the global immersion program started by UAS International is very interesting. Our ICFI business schools across 9 locations, all of them have a wonderful experience, and the students have gone through those experiences and learnings, which I am sure are going to be lifetime learnings for them. Improving employability and improving confidence, as sir said, empowerment of a kind. Improving their employability and their confidence is a great deal of contribution that this organization has done. People like UAS and others in this space will have to continue to do this. Most of the business schools, most of the institutions will dream of something. At least at ICFI Business School, what we dream of is that apart from what we teach inside the classroom and the institution, we should be able to handle 3 important parameters, at least outside the classroom. One is the immersion programs. The second is wilderness training. And the third is randomness or randomization. Lot of curriculum, lot of structure, lot of formats of learning and teaching have put us to what is called a structured thinking and structured learning, and therefore if there is any variation to that structure, we are not able to handle that. So therefore randomization is important, and by purpose we will have to bring in randomization into our learning process. Now whether it is inside the classroom or outside the classroom, that is a desire. Wilderness training is something which pushes the boundaries, helps us get in touch with the wild, the worst of the faculties or the worst of the situations that you will encounter. IBS Ahmedabad, our ICFI Business School at Ahmedabad, goes for wilderness training every single year for all the first year students. They are taken out on a camp, which is actually not a camp, it's a wild place, it's a forest, and they have to set up their tents, their camps, and live all by themselves for 48 hours. Some of them will come with fractured legs, some of them will come with lost confidence, but most of them, they enter the classroom after 4 or 5 days a few inches taller. We have seen this personally happening year after year. So wilderness training is something very, very interesting, and it adds to building leadership, building competence, and one who is handled complex situations and difficulties in life, either in at personal level or professional level, would be best suited for adaptability, leadership, and all this VUCA world that we talk about and teach about. And the first one which I mentioned, the dimension, is about immersion programs. Immersion in various organizations to learn how those organizations are working, the best practices, the learnings about the culture, different countries, different cultures, different business situations have lots of learning for us. I think you are making that contribution, UAS. I think that is invaluable, that is amazing, and we from ICFI Business School acknowledge that contribution made by you. Do take care of the students as you have been taking care of them. Make sure that they rejoice, make sure that they come back, not just by making sure of the hygiene factors, but in terms of the overall experience. When they come back, their parents should be happy, their friends should be happy, and the learning outcomes should have a major value addition as far as their studentship is concerned. So these are the desires for any well-meaning institution or any good business school. I am very happy and thankful that you have invited most of us here. We are very happy to be here, and continue the same good work, and more internships, more immersion programs, I am sure will be part of the growth story of our business school and many other business schools and institutions that are present here. One last thing I want to mention is that today, before leaving Hyderabad, I was thinking that I should talk about one point, and I knew that Anil sir is going to be here. Yesterday or day before, there was a big announcement. You all know that we have a center of excellence called the Case Research Center at ICFI, which is globally acclaimed. We have received the awards day before yesterday, that the best-selling case authors in the world. There's a top 50 list announced by the Case Center UK, and out of that, the top 3 places, 1, 2 and 3 are backed by ICFI Business School. So that is, I thought, as a fraternity, we would like to share that with you. And not only that, out of the top 50, we have 7 faculty members or 7 professors who have earned their place in this top 50 best-selling case authors in the world. That's again a big achievement, and some of the best business schools in the world are also alongside, but 1, 2, 3 is a coveted position that we have bagged. We are very happy. Since I said it is festival, since I said it is fraternity, I am sharing that with you. And one last trivia. One of the Facebook friends that I met here for the first time, when it is COVID, you don't have too much of work, so you are active on Facebook. And I met one of my Facebook friends here, and it was so happy and delightful. That is another reason to call it a festival. Saurav, very nice to see you. He is my companion in cycling virtually. I do cycling in Hyderabad, he does cycling in Dehradun, and we exchange pictures and kudos to each other, and very delighted to see him here. I think we will meet in person in Dehradun also very soon. Our university is there, so we'll come there. So thank you all organizers, thank you sir, thanks for this opportunity. I am very happy to be here.
Sir, requesting you to please come back, and I also invite Mr. Ishant Taneja to kindly felicitate him. And thank you for expressing your thoughts, and thank you so much for gracing the occasion with your presence. Can we have the award, please? Ladies and gentlemen, please, one hand against the other would be great. A picture is very important. A picture doesn't only take you down the memory lane, it also leaves an everlasting impression. So thank you so much for a great picture together.
नमस्कार, हमारे साथ हैं सुधाकर राव सर। आप ICFI के खास तौर से वहाँ से हैं, और हम आपको बता दें कि जिस प्रकार से US इंटरनेशनल का यहाँ कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, क्या कुछ सोचते हैं, आइए उनसे जानते हैं। सर, आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
बहुत धन्यवाद।
जी हाँ सर, जिस प्रकार से ये US इंटरनेशनल कार्यक्रम कर रहा है, इस पर आप क्या कुछ कहेंगे?
US इंटरनेशनल और ICFI का जो संबंध है पिछले 8 साल से
जी
हम लोग बहुत करीबी तरह से काम कर रहे हैं, और बच्चों का जो इंटर्नशिप का जो आयोजन है वो इंटर्नशिप एक लेवल पे फुलफिलमेंट एक्सरसाइज होगा। मतलब हर एक बच्चे के लिए इंटर्नशिप देना एक प्रॉमिस है इंस्टीट्यूशन की तरफ से।
जी
बट वो केवल प्रॉमिस के लेवल पे उनको रोका नहीं जा सकता है। प्रॉमिस के अलावा उनको एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी, एक्सपोजर एंड इमर्शन बोथ इंडिया में और बाहर के देशों में भी जो US इंटरनेशनल के साथ और उनके ज़रिए जो हो रहा है पिछले 8 साल से, वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरह से हुआ है। और हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो लोग इंटर्नशिप करने के बाद जो प्रेजेंटेशंस करते हैं हमारे कैंपस के अंदर आने के बाद, उस प्रेजेंटेशन का क्वालिटी और देर ability to take up the second year,
जी,
that is a subsequent program and specialization programs, has been very very good.
जी हाँ, खास तौर से US इंटरनेशनल एलॉफ्ट कैरियर की शुरुआत की है ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का, तो क्या कुछ कहें, कितना कुछ परिवर्तन हो पाएगा इससे?
एलॉफ्ट कैरियर के लिए मैं बहुत बेस्ट विशेस मैं मेरी तरफ से मैं कहूँगा
जी।
लेकिन जो माहौल आजकल इंडिया में और अब्रॉड में जो चल रहा है, ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का बहुत ही पोटेंशियल है, और इस पोटेंशियल को लेकर के अगर विद्यार्थियों का जो एनवायरनमेंट में है उस एनवायरनमेंट के मुताबिक, इससे पहले क्या हुआ, यू प्रोड्यूस एनीथिंग, दे हैव लर्नड एनीथिंग,
जी,
बट नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर एनवायरनमेंट एंड देन कस्टमाइज इट, and if you cannot engage them, there is a competition for all these students on various other medias like movies, Netflix and Amazon and all, but online is going to give them a lot of shortcuts. Online is going to give them a lot of opportunities. At the same time, they need to be engaged and their curiosity has to be sustained. Otherwise, it will not work.
खास तौर से आज स्वरोजगार पर जोर दिया जा रहा है, और ऐसे स्टेक होल्डर का US इंटरनेशनल का कितनी कुछ भूमिका हो जाती है?
US इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के जो भूमिका है और अन्य जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है, ये स्पेस के अंदर जो काम कर रहे हैं एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी बढ़ाने का, रोज़गार बढ़ाने का। रोज़गार बढ़ाने के लिए एक कॉम्पिटेंसी बिल्ड करना होता है। कॉम्पिटेंस बिल्डिंग इज़ नॉट वेरी इजी। जो टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखा जाता है कॉम्पिटेंस बिल्डिंग, और जो हज़ारों बिजनेस स्कूल्स है इस देश में, दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेल। इन माई व्यू, you need to have within the campus you need to build a wherewithal, an ability for them to do the basic work. When they are exposed, they will use that basic work and then multiply their competence. If you don't give that opportunity of doing the live projects externally, there is no opportunity for them to actually exhibit that. Now you do once, you do twice, you do thrice. More live projects or more active projects in your curriculum, very seriously done. It should not be done just for the sake of doing it. Then the students would have learned how to actually build themselves. Now program ख़त्म होने के बाद अगर वो लोग खुद अपने पैरों पे खड़े रहना चाहते हैं तो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बन सकते हैं, या कोई और कंपनी में अगर जॉब मिले तो उस कंपनी के जॉब के अंदर भी एक्सेल हो जाए।
क्या बात।
सो वो बेहतरीन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है इंस्टीट्यूशन की तरफ से होना चाहिए।
आईक्पा की क्या विशेषता है?
ICFAI पिछले 35 ईयर्स से 3.5 डिकेड से हायर एजुकेशन के स्पेस में पायनियरिंग एजुकेशन की सेवा करते हुए इस देश के अंदर और देश के बाहर भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को 1,25,000 स्टूडेंट्स को ग्रेजुएट करके एक अपना ही एक स्पेशल पोजीशन खड़ा कर दिया है। दूसरी बात है ICFAI बिजनेस स्कूल्स, जो हमारे पास जो 9 बिजनेस स्कूल्स है सारा देश में, ये बिज़नेस स्कूल्स है बहुत ही प्रीमियम बिज़नेस स्कूल्स है। इन बिज़नेस स्कूल्स के ज़रिए यंगस्टर्स को हम लेके मतलब सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस के थ्रू हम अपना कैंपस में लेकर के उनको एक एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी मैनेजर्स लीडर्स बनाते हैं। तो पिछले 25 ईयर्स से ICFAI बिज़नेस स्कूल अपनी एक्सेलेंस बढ़ा रही है। सिल्वर जुबली भी प्रीवियस ईयर ख़त्म हो चुकी है क्योंकि वो कोविड ईयर है तो उसकी बहुत बड़ी चर्चा नहीं हुई, लेकिन we have completed 25 years, and in the last 25 years what we have done is we have come from making normal students extraordinary, then we have used technology and innovation, and now we are providing what is called new age leadership for our ICFAI business school students.
कई आईक्पा का कई नोडल सेंटर देश में भी काम कर रहे हैं।
फिर से बताइए।
नोडल सेंटर कई आप काम कर रहे हैं?
नो, कोई नोडल सेंटर नहीं है। हमारे जो ICFAI बिजनेस स्कूल्स के जो 9 कैंपसेस है, ईच कैंपस का अपना ही एक स्ट्रैटेजी रहेगा, अपना ही एक ऑपरेशनल एक्सेलेंस होगा, लेकिन करिकुलम तो हर एक कैंपस में सेम होगा। हेडक्वार्टर्स जो हैदराबाद है वहीं से हमारा ये गाइडेंस एंड एप्लीकेशन विल बिगिन, बट ईच कैंपस इज हेडेड बाय वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट nationally reputed directors and very good faculty members. Therefore, each student will get the benefit of what ICFAI Business School is in their campus.
बस चलते चलते क्या कुछ संदेश देंगे US इंटरनेशनल?
मैं ये कहूँगा US इंटरनेशनल जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है पिछले 8 सालों से ये सेवा करते आई है और इसका नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाना होगा। नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जब लेके जाएंगे तो स्टेक होल्डर्स का जो सेटिस्फैक्शन है, मतलब स्टूडेंट के पेरेंट्स और अपना इंस्टीट्यूट है, इंस्टीट्यूट से जो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स और डायरेक्टर्स जो इन पे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, उनके लिए फिर और इंडस्ट्री के लिए सबके लिए सेटिस्फैक्शन होना चाहिए। अभी अगर सेटिस्फैक्शन आज के दिन में 1 to 5 ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 5 इट इज़ समवेयर अराउंड 3, आई थिंक दे शुड गो 4.5 और क्लोज टू 5। माई बेस्ट विशेस विद US इंटरनेशनल। I am sure they are going to produce new age leaders like the way ICFAI Business School is going to produce.
जी हाँ, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
थैंक यू।
जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो ये थे सुधाकर राजू सर, तो खास तौर से बता रहे थे कि जिस प्रकार से US इंटरनेशनल ने लोगों को, छात्रों को एकजुट करके आगे बढ़ाया है और ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ाएगा तभी अभी इस कार्य में वो सफल भी होंगे। कैमरा पर्सन हेमेंद्र के साथ मानवेंद्र, नमस्कार।